Have you ever mulled over the thought of earning from Google Play? Well, it's not as far-fetched as it might seem. In fact, it's a road many have traveled and found success. And today, we'll be guiding you through that very journey. So, what's the first step? It all begins with an idea. A concept for an app that's unique, innovative, or just plain useful. Once you have that, you're ready to dive into the world of app development. If you're not an app developer, don't worry. There are plenty of resources out there to help you learn, or you can team up with someone who has the skills. Now, with your app idea in hand, the next step is to develop it. This involves writing code, designing user interfaces, testing, and debugging. It's a process that requires time and patience, but the end result is well worth it. Once your app is developed and ready to go, it's time to publish it on Google Play. This involves setting up a Google Play developer account, which has a one-time fee of $25. After that, you're free to publish as many apps as you'd like. Now the question arises, how does one earn from Google Play? The answer lies in monetization. There are several ways to monetize your app on Google Play. You can charge users to download your app, offer in-app purchases, or use Google's AdMob platform to display ads in your app. If you decide to charge for downloads, you can set your own price. Google Play then takes a 30% cut of the revenue. If you decide to offer in-app purchases, the same 30% cut applies. On the other hand, if you choose to use AdMob, you'll earn revenue every time a user clicks on an ad in your app. This method can be particularly effective if your app has a large number of users. Once you start earning, Google will pay out your earnings in a monthly payment cycle. You'll need to have at least $100 in your account before you receive your first payment. To summarize, earning from Google Play involves coming up with an app idea, developing it, publishing it on Google Play, and then choosing a monetization strategy. It's a process that requires time, effort, and a bit of initial investment, but the potential rewards can be substantial. Remember, the key to success on Google Play is creating an app that people want to use. Focus on quality, usefulness, and user experience, and the earnings will follow. So why not give it a try? You might just find that earning from Google Play is a journey worth embarking on.